What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to make a jalapeno popper grilled cheese. Something super easy, super basic ingredients. I mean, I'm going to fry up some jalapeno with it and some bacon, but I mean, it's just basic, simple ingredients. It's going to be delicious. Stick around because this is going to be amazing. They always are. So right here, we're just frying up these jalapenos, get them turned up a little bit. You know, just standard stuff. Keep those seeds in if you want that heat. Right like so. And then right here, we got this bacon, thick cut, hardwood smoked. You know, that's pretty standard. See it all the time. All right, we had technical difficulties with the mic, so we're going now. As you saw, we got the jalapenos and the bacon thrown on. That is 1 pound of bacon, thick cut bacon, and I just used 1 jalapeno, sliced it up. Don't worry about no cross contamination. We're going to be fully overcooked temp on all this food. Look at that. I love some seared up jalapenos. Come on, switch it up. Oof. Let's just let that go. Boom. Now while this stuff's going, I'm going to get my bread all ready to go. We're using some big slices of some country white bread. I mean, they're not massive, but they're pretty big, so we're going to use those. Boom. I'm going to throw some butter on them, some cream cheese. We'll do it up. Boom. Here goes our jalapenos. Those are looking delicious. Bacon. Oh, baby. I'm digging it. Alright, so our jalapenos, they're perfect. Bacon is done. Cannot wait to eat that stuff up. So I'm only making one of these sandwiches. I've been running on high over here, the whole cook, standard. This one's been off the whole cook. This one's been on low. This is where I'm going to cook my grilled cheese right here. And for that, we got the bread. I got butter on this side. We got cream cheese on both sides in the middle. I don't know if you saw that, but yeah, that's all in there. So you know what? Let's build some. That's how you're going to hold it. All right, so here's our bread. Get apart. So there's our cream. Oh, it kind of came apart a little bit. No biggie. We're good on that. So we got cheese right here. This is just some mild cheddar cheese. We're gonna get that all in here. We're gonna add more, don't worry. Throw these jalapenos in. I want to get all of these in here. I want this nice and spicy. Alright. Bacon. Bacon. Love some bacon. Let's go with this little guy right here. And then, I'm going to add some more cheese right here. Oh, baby. Alright. Put the top on it. Little press. Get it together nice and good. Gonna throw some butter on top right here. Let that cook up. Good to go. Alright, so we got some butter we're gonna throw in here. Now we cheat a little bit. We use butter with olive oil and sea salt in it, so it gets nice and soft when you don't have it in the fridge. That's some good stuff too, by the way. Alright, there we go. We're good on that. And I'm going to throw this over it. Let that cheese get nice and melted. This is going to be amazing. Alright, the cheese is kind of melted. It didn't melt as good as I thought, but it's starting to melt. Ooh. But that is the toast that I want. Alright, here we go. I shut the griddle off. Should be good to go. And baby, baby, look at that. Mm-mm. My goodness. This looks so good. Oh, my mouth is watering. They got a beautiful toast on this. Bacon, perfect. Jalapeños, a little spicy. Man, got a good batch. Second one in a row that was nice and spicy. Nice toast on that bread. I haven't done butter in a long time. I've been doing mayo. I love that too. But that cream cheese, I mean, it tastes like a jalapeno popper with bread. I mean, it's pretty basic. Super easy, delicious, quick dinner. I love that jalapeno. Alright. My wife's going to kill me if I touch that other half, so I just need to get inside. I appreciate you guys coming along. Hit that thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Any questions, message me, email me, whatever. And yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks.